Hi, classy divas. Welcome to this section of casual wardrobe wisdom with kindness. So, today's topic is how to avoid visible pant lines. After dressing, you discover your pant lines are showing. Here are the things you should do to avoid that. The first one, you should go for G string or thongs. Wear G string or thongs, okay? These pants are very light, okay? They are not full pants, okay? They have a minimal fabrics, so there's no lines to show. It's a very perfect option, okay? Then the second one, you should go for seamless underwear. This underwear is very smooth, comfortable and light, so it won't show any lines. All right, then the third one, you should go commando. If they say go commando, it means you should not wear anything under. Take for instance, you are putting on leggings and you decide not to wear something under the leggings. You are going commando, right? Though not everybody will be able to do this, but if you can, it's okay. All right, then the fourth one is wear boy shorts. So if you cannot go for the rest one, you can decide to go for boy shorts. Boy shorts just like male pants, okay? It's very smooth. The lines are not thick, so it's a good option. Then the fifth one, you can decide to wear shapewear. Shapewear is very smooth and it will also give you this perfect shape, right? So it's a good option because it won't show any line. Then the sixth one, you should go for laser cut underwear. If you can't go for the rest, laser cut underwear is very smooth and will give you what we are looking for, right? Then the seventh one, go for tanga briefs. Tanga briefs does not have heavy lines, okay? So it's a good option. Also, ensure that your underwear fits properly, okay? Don't wear too tight underwear because if it's too tight, it's going to cut into your skin and bring out those lines, okay? So don't go for too tight underwear. Go for your perfect size, okay? With the perfect underwear, you can confidently wear any fitted clothes without worrying about visible lines, okay? So always know what underwear to wear, all right, so that it won't give you what you don't want. All right, thank you so much. My name is Kindness, the face behind Classic Smart Casual. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, okay? Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so each time we post you'll be notified. All right, thank you so much. I love you.